And then the handles go on. They're kind of in a weird angle. There's only a 3-inch throat on this, but it'll do. And that is that. Tighten up the Allen wrench, or the Allen screw. Use an Allen wrench to tighten up the Allen screw. Hold just steady. We are good to go. I finally broke this thing out of the box because I have a project I gotta do with it, and that's coming up next. First impressions, it's kind of cheap, but for the price, I don't think it's that bad. How do you get this open? I ended up breaking it. Seriously? If all else fails, look at the instructions, right? As you can tell, I never assembled one of these things, and I never even used one of these. Ryobis. I don't see anything that says how you get into this damn thing. Looks like it just lifts up. A couple screws over there. I wonder if the screws have anything to do with it. It don't say. How the hell you open this damn thing up? Huh. Got the drill press assembled, and I put it in place. Remember yesterday I was having a hard time getting getting this lid open. There was, see, it's doing it again. It's a little rubber pad right here that was sticking to the top of the lid. I don't know what was going on there, but boy, that was hell. I had to take a block of wood and kind of hit it up on the other side over there to kind of force it up. But I got it open, and it was kind of rough to do it. But back on task. If you have a drill press, you got a work table, and that always works out to be pretty good because, you know, you put your stuff here. But to hold your stuff steady, you're gonna need a vise. I got me a 4-inch drill press vise from the big box store, and I'm gonna install it and bring you along with me. Let's open this thing up. And there it is. Very basic, very simple, very important. Yeah, I think that'll work out good. What I'm going to use to mount this to the table is a set of carriage bolts, which I just happen to have in a bag over here. Uh-oh. Well, that kind of sucks. Maybe I went too big with the carriage bolts. This is what I wanted to do. Have them in there like that. Have that mount up there like that. And I have some fender washers and wing nuts out. If I can go ahead and just get 2 of these in for right now, that would be a good thing. Let me go ahead and, hold on a second. It's very, very tight fit for these carriage bolts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shave off a little bit right here so it'll slide in the vise a little bit better. Let's see how this does. Nope, that's not gonna work. I'm not gonna. Unless I take a file to it, but I don't know. Let me think on this for a little bit. I am so glad I didn't put you through what I just went through. I had to wobble out this slot here so I can get these carriage bolts to fit. Now the slot says, according to the box, it says that these are 1/2 inch. Went out and got 1/2 inch carriage bolts. I thought they'd be okay, but turns out the 1/2 inch carriage bolt don't fit. So I had to wobble up the slot. I had to wobble out the slot. First try was using, no, the first try was this with a with a little tiny grinding stone, and that was not going to work. That was just taking too long. So then I went ahead and mounted a drill bit in here, thinking that I'm going to go ahead and just use this side as kind of like a mill. That kind of worked, but it made the slot wavy. I just wasn't making the progress that I wanted to make with it. Then I went into the toolbox to try and find a grinding stone to use on a drill. I couldn't find the grinding stone, but wouldn't you know it? Oh, wait a minute, no, in between I also used my grinder. Now, this took out a lot of material, but it just didn't, it was hard to get into the corners with it because of the round grinding bit. Well, what I finally came up with is the most simple tool I have in my toolbox. It's a nice little file. You know the old saying, keep it simple, stupid? Well, I tell my kids that all the time. I guess I should have taken my own advice. Anyways, here it is. It's mounted. It's functional. I get a fair amount of adjustment out of it. That with the table being able to rotate, I can go ahead and get a lot out of this. And enough adjustment where this will do the trick. Anything I need to go ahead and have stationary, I'll be able to use this. Use the wing nuts to make it easy to take on and off kind of fast. But that's your bench vise. That's the Ryobi drill. What can I say about the drill? This cap up here, a little plastic knob that came with it, it just sheared off. So what I'm going to do is put a steel knob on there. Just gotta find a nut and a couple of washers to go ahead and go back here and just jam it up there and put it on there. It'd be a satisfactory replacement. But also check your nuts for your idler arms or your idler pulleys here. Mine was loose and the pulley kept on coming off, and finally I just got it on there tight enough. But other than that, I'm telling you, it's not a bad drill. You know, it'll do the trick. And again, I'm a homeowner, so I don't need anything really heavy duty. I wish the throw on this was a little bit further, but 3 inches should be good, plenty. Three inches of travel should be plenty, so I think that'd be good enough. Closing this one out. Hope you liked the video. If you think it sucked, give me the thumbs down. I won't know if I'm making good videos unless you thumbs them down. Then if you like the video, toss a thumbs up in there. Throw a comment in the bottom. Throw a comment in. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.